KON'CHA! Hello dear viewers, I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today we're exploring Mejiro. Mejiro is something special for anime fans and travel photographers, so stick around as we unlock the secrets to Tokyo. Let's go! Our last video was Mejiro, meaning black eyes. Mejiro, yes you guessed it, white eyes. There are several competing theories, but the popular one is the white eyes painted on another Fudo god statue. Ooh, scary. Historically, Mejiro's high altitude makes it a desirable area to live. Why is this a big deal? Because Tokyo used to be flood-prone, and so living on high ground was advantageous. But of course, with higher prices, cha-ching! The prestigious Gakushuin University is also here, famous for having been attended by numerous members of the imperial family. Fun fact, Mejiro is the second least visited station on the major JR Yamanote line, which is hard to imagine as it's right next to the busy Ikebukuro district. Nozoki means to peep, but not the peeping you might be thinking of, so get your head out of the gutter, peeps! The slope is so steep you have to stand at the edge and peep over the top in order to see the bottom. How picturesque is this? On the right is another Fujimizaka. You might remember this word from our Mejiro video. However, just like that one, because of urbanization, you can no longer see Mount Fuji from here. Rage! And on the left is Hinashizaka, or the hill where the sun don't shine. The sign at the top of the hill says motorcycles prohibited. What? So obviously someone must have done so. It isn't me, I swear. Maybe it could have been me. This is a park that shall not be named because it has no name. It's a nameless park, but it's famous for its low-key city views of Shinjuku in the distance. It's a popular film location for TV shows and dramas. As you wander around the Mejiro Plateau, you may wind up in the shopping street hidden away in the neighboring Zoshigaya. It's well known for having preserved the feel of 1950s and 60s Tokyo. I say well known, but it's a relatively quiet strip. Now, I'm going to need you to use the power of your imagination, like last time, just a bit. The road you're looking at used to be a river. How cool! Terribly sad is that. Urbanization strikes again. Fun fact, Osamu Tezuka, the creator of Astro Boy, used to live here in Zoshigaya before he got married. Yes, your eyes do not deceive you. The sign actually does read, Curry, the hardcore. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed learning more of Tokyo secrets and maybe inspire your next trip to Japan. Till next time!